Hey guys, good morning. Just now I have bath and now I'll go for meal, and after that I'll revise whatever I study. So now I'm going to fresh and after that I'll have meal. Today's also two papers are there, so now I have to study so much. Uh, okay, so let's go for the study and revise the question answer whatever I have learned. So let's go. Guys, I just had breakfast, so now I'm going to ready for the college, and after that I'll go to college. So just now I have revised some question and answer what I have learned. So now first one is a practical, and then there will be a paper. So today also so much time will take in college, and so okay guys, so let's go. There is so much disturbance in this time, so we'll discuss about more after. So guys, I just had a breakfast. Now I'll go for ready to my college, wear college dress, and after that I'll prepare some question and answer whatever I have learned and revise also. So today's two papers are there. So first one is internal practical paper, and then after uh, mm, term exam, and that is second paper. So today also so much time will be there, because after one paper there will be break of 2 hours. So I'll wait there for 2 hours, and then I'll solve the second paper. So that's why there will be so much time will gone. So after come back from college, we'll directly sleep, because there is so much heat, and this temperature, due to this temperature I cannot study in days. So and even I can't study in night also, but little bit I learn. So now let's go. I'm ready, and I'll ready, and then we'll go to the college. Guys, I just come back from college. Now I'm going to have meal, and after that I'll take rest, because now I can't do study there is so much heat and temperature. So now I'm going to have meal, and after that I'll take rest, and then time will close to go to tuition. So now let's go have meal. So guys, I just wake up, but I'm getting too much sleep, but I can't sleep now because time is up to go to the tuition. Now I'm going to the tuition. So first of all I am going to have ready, and then I'll go to the tuition. So let's go. Before coming from tuition, I wanted to complete some notes, but I did not. So now I'm going to read or make some notes, and after that I'll go to the tuition. And after come back from tuition, I wanted to complete so much task, because tomorrow there will be more score paper. So I wanted to prepare so much questions for that, and also complete all my regular task, but did not complete it regularly. Some of the task of my daily 365 days challenge is not completed, so I wanted to complete that all the tasks today, and want to sleep as soon as possible. So tomorrow also I need to wake up early in the morning. So let's go to ready for the tuition. And so guys, some time ago I came from tuition. So after that I had rest, because I was so tired. As you know that I am I took I taken 3 lectures, 3 hours. I can't speak properly because due to so much tired and due to lack of sleep. Um, when I come back from college, I I had a meal, and after that I sleep. But um, due to so much disturbance, I cannot sleep properly. And after that, I had gone to the tuition. So now I want to complete so much tasks which I want to complete. and now I'm going to complete first time one of the most important tasks, that is meditation. So after that I'll sleep because I want to wake up early in the morning as like today. So because in the night there is so much heat and temperature, so cannot properly do study. So now but I did wake up as early in the morning, but I forget to do meditation because every day I do meditation in the evening. So I did not remember that I wanted to do meditation. So from tomorrow we'll do meditation in the morning. So now I'm going to do meditation. After that I'll have meal and then I'll sleep, completing after completing all the tasks. So let's go to do meditation. Guys, I just completed my meditation. So now I'm going to have meal and after that I'll directly sleep because so much tired and I'm feeling so weak. So let's have meal and after that I'll do some walk and then I'll sleep. So let's go. Yes, I just had milk now. Now I'm going to sleep because today I was so tired and I wanted to wake up early morning. So let's go for sleep. So that's it for today. We'll do another one. So let's go for sleep. Bye bye.